Welcome back to Roll for Creamy.
Using a D6 to roll for base. 2. Cow's milk. I personally think moo juice is the best base. It makes for the creamiest ice cream. Almond milk and oat milk tend to be a bit more icy. Next, rolling for flavor. 5. Pistachio. I'm using the pistachio-flavored instant pudding mix. It's gonna add a little nutty flavor. Roll for fruit. 4. Banana. Whenever I make smoothies, I always throw in a banana. Not only does it add sweetness, it adds a great texture as well. I'm hoping it does the same thing in this. Last but not least, roll for wild magic. 14. Spinach. We're sticking with the green theme. I'm considering blending this before freezing it, but isn't the Ninja Creami a glorified blender? We're gonna put it to the test. I put it in the freezer for 24 hours, now we're gonna give it a spin. I actually had to do a couple spins before it looked like this. Check out that vibrant green color and look how creamy.
Taste test. Banana's my favorite fruit, so I'm definitely biased. 8.5 out of 10.